We spend 1/3 of our entire lives asleep. 1/3. We fall into bed thinking our body is finally getting the rest it deserves. Muscles relaxing, mind shutting off, everything healing. But here's what nobody tells you. If your sleeping position is wrong, your spine isn't resting. It's being tortured for 8 hours straight. Today, we're going to medically analyze 6 of the most common sleeping positions, and there's a good chance your favorite one is silently wrecking your back, your neck, and even your brain. Stay until the end, because the best position might surprise you. Before we get into the positions, you need to understand one thing about your spine. Your spine has 33 vertebrae, and between each one sits a soft, spongy disc. These discs act as shock absorbers. All day long, gravity compresses them. Every step you take, every hour you sit, every pound of pressure they absorb. Nighttime is the only window your discs have to rehydrate and recover. They absorb fluid while you sleep, like a sponge soaking up water. But if your sleeping position puts abnormal pressure on your spine, that recovery never happens. Night after night, year after year. That's how disc degeneration, chronic back pain, and nerve compression develop, not from one injury, but from 8 hours of the wrong position repeated thousands of times. Let's start with the absolute worst one, stomach sleeping. If you sleep on your stomach, I want you to picture this. Someone holds your head and rotates it 90 degrees to the side. Then they hold it there for 8 hours. That's exactly what you're doing to your cervical spine every single night. Your neck nerves are stretched, your lower back arches into an unnatural curve, and your entire spinal alignment is thrown off. Studies consistently link stomach sleeping to chronic neck pain, lower back pain, and even numbness and tingling in the arms from nerve compression. If stomach sleeping is a deeply ingrained habit, place a thin, flat pillow under your pelvis and lower abdomen, not under your head. This reduces the arch in your lower back and takes pressure off your spine. About 40% of adults sleep in the fetal position, curled on their side, knees pulled toward their chest. It feels safe, it feels natural, and honestly, it has some real benefits. But the problem is the extreme curl. When you pull your knees all the way up and hunch your shoulders forward, you're compressing your diaphragm, the primary muscle responsible for breathing. Your lung capacity shrinks. You're literally getting less oxygen all night long. For people with arthritis or joint inflammation, sleeping tightly curled also increases morning stiffness significantly because your joints remain bent and compressed throughout the night. Don't abandon this position, just open it up. Keep your body in a gentle curve rather than a tight ball. Place a pillow between your knees to keep your hips and spine aligned. This small change dramatically reduces lower back strain. Back sleeping, specifically in what's called the soldier position, lying flat with arms at your sides, is one of the best things you can do for your spine. Gravity is distributed evenly across your entire body. Your spine stays in a neutral, natural alignment. No twisting, no compression, no unnatural curves. But, and this is a big but, if you snore or have been diagnosed with sleep apnea, back sleeping can be genuinely dangerous. When you lie flat, your tongue and soft tissues relax and fall toward the back of your throat, partially blocking the airway. This causes snoring, and in sleep apnea, it can cause your breathing to stop completely multiple times a night. There's also the Starfish variation, back sleeping with arms stretched up near your head. While the spine alignment is still fine, this position puts the shoulder joints in an impinged, stressed position. Shoulder pain and rotator cuff issues can develop over time. Use a pillow that keeps your head and neck in a neutral position, not too high, not too low. Place a small pillow under your knees to relieve pressure on the lower back. If you snore, consider slightly elevating the head of your bed, or transition to side sleeping. And now the position that science consistently backs as the best, left side sleeping. Your brain has its own waste clearance system called the glymphatic system. Research published in the Journal of Neuroscience found that this system operates most efficiently when you sleep on your side, flushing out metabolic waste products, including proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. On the left side specifically, you're also helping your cardiovascular system. Your heart has an easier time pumping, your lymphatic system drains more efficiently, and if you experience acid reflux, left side sleeping significantly reduces nighttime symptoms because of the position of your stomach. For pregnant women, left side sleeping is the gold standard. It maximizes blood flow to the fetus. Your pillow height matters enormously. It needs to fill the gap between your shoulder and your head, keeping your neck perfectly level with your spine. Too flat or too thick, and you've just created a new problem. A good memory foam or latex pillow matched to your shoulder width is the ideal choice. Look, no sleeping position is absolutely perfect for every single person. Your body weight, health conditions, and pre-existing injuries all play a role. But the science is clear. Small adjustments, the right pillow heights, a pillow between your knees, not cranking your neck sideways, can make a massive difference in your long-term spinal health, your energy levels, and even your brain function. You spend 8 hours a night in bed. Make those hours work for you, not against you. Now I want to hear from you. What position do you sleep in? And after watching this, are you going to change anything tonight? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video helped you, share it with someone who's always complaining about back pain. They'll thank you tomorrow morning. Subscribe for more science-backed health content, and I'll see you in the next one.